In the previous two questions, they showed you how to create confidence intervals step by step using like using the table to find the z and finding the margin of error and all the rest of that. And that's a good way of doing it. But you can also use StatCrunch to find the confidence interval. So in this one, it says 566 babies were born and 283 of them were girls, and they want you to create a 99% confidence interval estimate for the percentage of girls born. So on StatCrunch, you can do stat, proportion stat, one sample with summary, because they only gave you summary information. So there are 283 girls out of 566 births, and we want a 99% confidence interval. And so you get 0.446 to 0.554, just using the L limit and the U limit. In this question, they want a confidence interval for the number of people who use or proportion of people who use at least one prescription medication. But they give you the percentage and not the number from the sample. So they didn't say a certain number out of the 3,024 use at least one prescription medication. They said 88.6% of them did. So for the first step is to find the number of people who did in your sample. So you do 0.886 times 3024, and you get 2679. And then if you want to create the confidence interval in StatCrunch, you would do stat, proportion stat, one sample with summary again. And then for the number of successes, you would put in 2679. And the number of observations is 3024. Then you just need to click on confidence interval and change it to 90. And then the confidence interval is going to go from L limit to U limit. And here they want you to write them as percentages, not as decimals. So it's going to be 87.6 and 89.4. 89.5.